Hello friends, welcome to this channel and I hope that you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn some useful shortcut keys used in MS Excel. Okay, let's start the session without wasting any time. The first one is, please note in your notebook. First one is to open help. If you want to take any help of MS Excel, then you can take it easily by pressing F1. Okay, the shortcut key is F1. Suppose, please see at my screen. Suppose I will press F1, then you will see a dialog box. Okay, here you can see at my screen a help box is opened by the MS Excel. Got it? Here you can avail the help in any matter. Whatever you are facing problem in an MS Excel, you can describe in this area. Okay, you need to type here that what matter you are, what problem you are facing. Got it? Okay. The second one is undo last action. Undo last action. The shortcut key is Control plus Z. Okay, if you press Control plus Z together, then system will do undo last action. What is the meaning of undo last action? The meaning of meaning of undo last action is that if suppose for example I am writing here 12, a numeric number I wrote here 12, and I deleted it from here. I will press the delete button. Okay, here you can see at my screen the 12 has been deleted. If I want to undo my last action, then what I have to do? I just have to press Control plus Z together. Got it? Okay, let's see at my screen. I will press Control plus Z. Here you can see that 12 is come back. Got it? So to undo your last action, you need to press Control plus Z. Got it? Great. The third shortcut key is redo last action. Redo last action. The shortcut key is Control plus Y. Okay. Again, to show you the example, I will type here a numeric number. Suppose I am typing 14. Okay. And if I want to redo last action, redo means what I did. You know very well that I deleted the number from J column. Got it? So if I will press right now Control plus Y, then what will happen? Please see at my screen. Here the written number will again deleted. Got it? So to redo last action, what is the short key? Control plus Y. Next one is copy. To copy selection. To copy selection area. Sorry. To copy selection area, the shortcut key is Control plus C. If you want to copy any object, any area, any field, any cell, any column, then you have to select it first. Suppose I want to copy this from column number G, row number 9 to 10. I will select here. Okay, and I will press Control plus C. The shortcut key is Control plus C. Here you can see the clipboard, the selected object is copied in MS Excel clipboard. Got it? So Control plus C is for to copy the selected object. Got it? Great. And the next shortcut key is repeat last action. Repeat last action. Repeat last action. The shortcut key is F4. Okay. Please see at my screen. If I will press F4, then what will happen? Please see here F4. Here I wrote 9 and I will delete it and will press F4. Got it? Thank you. Hope this video is very helpful to you, to all of you. And if you like my video, then please subscribe this channel. And I also want to request all of you, then please like, comment and share also. I will come back to all of you with a new subject. Till the time, bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.